Select Invoices from the Documents menu to show the Invoices list view. From here, you can see the export and approval status. Or click into an invoice to see the original PDF view and all of the line items. The document history gives you a complete audit trail together with a link into the finance system. You can click through to see the corresponding invoice in Xero. The Actions menu allows you to edit or clone the invoice or send it for an ad hoc approval. Sahara is multi-entity, so you can switch into different businesses. Clicking an approval status will show you who you are waiting for or any reject reasons. You can also customize the columns to show the fields you want to see. Finally, the supplier record in Sahara will have the complete purchase history with long-term PDF storage. Sahara is easy to use and fast to deploy.